25 years, so let's give a big hand for that. But yeah, Kunal and Rohit, over to you. Kunal, you can start.
Nice to meet you. And hello to everyone. Good evening.
Good evenings.
We don't wish good evening at East Summit.
Good evening!
That's not loud enough. Good evening.
Good evening!
Fantastic. So it's great to be here and always fun. I think I came to IIT Bombay maybe almost 10 years ago. So it's always nice to be here. Beautiful. Look, I think these silver jubilees can't be planned. They just happen to you. Believe it or not, Rohit and I met in class 11 when he came as a new student to our school in class 11, and I was already in that school. At the beginning of the year, we were sitting in opposite corners of the class, and then within 15 days, and he was with the boarding school kids, I was with the day boarder kids, and we were just hanging out in our groups. 15 days later, somehow through cosmic powers, we were sitting next to each other. And from that day, which was in 1999, to present day, we sit next to each other, have lunch together every day, and here are together in front of you as well. So I think some things are just, it is probably like our friendship, our partnership, all that we share with each other has been life's greatest blessing.
मोहल्ले में रोला जम गया I hope you
Welcome to the 12th year of the 10-minute meeting. आज से 12 साल पहले we started this journey, at least on TV, nobody had heard of it, and we decided कि हम लोग startups को बोलेंगे कि investor से पास जाओ और 10 मिनट में, just in a mere 10 minutes, they will either get 1 million rupees, which was 10 lakhs, today that is 35 lakhs, or they will not. And the idea is that there were many business plan competition, pitching competitions, बहुत अच्छे IIT बॉम्बे में भी होते हैं, मगर उसमें होता क्या है ना कि वो एक्चुअली इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होती है. वो आपके सामने इन्वेस्टमेंट दिख जाती है, पीछे नहीं होती है. हमने बोला वो इन्वेस्टमेंट होगी, कैसे होगी वो आपको बाद में समझाओ, क्योंकि we really want to get this game going. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the first team. And I must tell you, audience में मजाक नहीं कर रहा था. I've been doing this for 12 years now. अगर आप लोग ज़्यादा enthusiastic होते हो ना, तो उससे फाउंडर को जोश आता है. फाउंडर को जोश आता है तो इन्वेस्टर्स के पर्स स्ट्रिंग्स थोड़े ढीले हो जाते हैं, वो ज्यादा बिड करते हैं. Here is how the game will be played. You have to go on Twitter, Elon Musk का X. You have to go on Twitter and go to the eCell handle. The eCell handle is eCell_IITB. So please take a moment to find eCell_IITB, and your job is that by the time the pitch ends, you have to predict कि जो टोटल कमिटमेंट्स आएगी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की, सब इन्वेस्टर्स मिला के वो कितने लैक्स होगी. हाउ मेनी लैक्स वुड बी बिड बाय ऑल इन्वेस्टर्स पुट टुगेदर. नाउ इफ somebody actually bids the exact amount, that person is the winner. If nobody guesses the exact amount, then we'll find the closest, either on the lower side or higher side. And if more than one people have a draw, then whoever put it out on Twitter first. So your job is to tag eCell_IIT Bombay and predict. Good news is investors, don't cheat, but you are also allowed to bid. Okay, so let's get this game going. Here's how it goes. Investor comes here, तो गेम के रूल्स सुन लो. फाउंडर इधर आएगा, 8 मिनट के लिए पिच करेगा, 7 मिनट्स के बाद एक घंटी या बजर बजेगा, 8 मिनट्स के बाद फाइनल बजर बजेगा. उसके बाद investors get a chance to ask questions which we will restrict to a maximum of 10 minutes. उसके बाद हर एक इन्वेस्टर के पास एक टैबलेट है. So investors, just be careful that you have what I am saying. You should have a tablet which actually has your name on the screen. In addition, it has the startup name. Please verify both of these things. The startup's name should be correct, and your name should be correct. Coincidentally, my tablet is not working. In case somebody can help me, I can just pass it on. And your job is to bid the number of lakhs that you want to invest. Please note, suppose you want to invest 10 lakhs, just write 10. Don't write 10 lakhs. You want to invest?
ये लेके
है कि नहीं वो यहाँ पर?
मैं कुछ कर दूंगा
अरे कहाँ है? लोग समझ रहे हैं कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, actually मैं ड्रामा कर रहा हूँ, मैं सच में घुमा हुआ हूँ। लोगों को लग रहा है शायद this is part of the show. It's not part of the show. It is really happening. So where have all the IIT Bombay organizers disappeared? घर चले गए? Come on, कुछ तो धमाका करो, कोई आवाज करो, कोई पिक्चर चलाओ, कोई पटाखे बजाओ, कुछ तो करो। मेरा टैबलेट वापस करो, कुछ तो करो। Really, we have reached that stage. Can you imagine? Founders have so much money, they don't want to pitch anymore to investors. But I think we are about to change that. बेचारा शायद बाथरूम गया होगा. I think that must be it. तो प्लीज कोई जेंट्स बाथरूम विजिट करो और फिगर आउट करो कि हमारा बंदा है कहाँ. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक काम करते हैं, उसको छोड़ देते हैं हम. आप में से किसी का स्टार्टअप है क्या? कोई आके करोड़ों कमाना चाहता है क्या? हाँ, वो रेडी है. देखो, वो शी इज लाइक आई एम रेडी, राइट? वी हैव टू पीपल, बस 2 लोग. नहीं चाहिए करोड़ों, अरे सबको चाहिए अभी. थोड़ी आवाज करो, जिसकी आवाज सबसे लाउड आएगी ना मैं उसको दूंगा. आवाज सबसे लाउड आपकी थी. ठीक उसी तरह आपको जैसे नहीं पता कि मैं किसको पॉइंट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को भी नहीं पता कौन चिल्ला रहा है.
अच्छा बोल रहा है.
ओके, सो कैन आई एटलीस्ट सी द फेस ऑफ वन ऑफ द वॉलेंटियर. तो पैसा कैसे गिर रहा है आसमान से? और वो भी डॉलर के नोट गिर रहे हैं फॉर सम स्ट्रेंज रीजन. आई नो डॉलर के नोट है कि क्रेडिट कार्ड है अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस के, बट जो भी है कुछ तो गिर रहा है.
नर्वस हो
So
जाएंगे.
investors, do you have your tab ready?
चले भी.
And take our money. You will come. हाँ, he's like ठीक है मैं ready हूँ. कितने देने को तैयार हो आप? So ladies and gentlemen, I think what we will do is we will not accept this. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, कब से बैठे हैं, इतना वो पुलिस के डंडे खा के हम लोग अंदर आए हैं, तो ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है. So we will make noise. That is something that all students can do very well. I remember I was a student not too long ago, just about 35 years ago. So I know how to make noise. Can we make noise? Let's make noise until this guy comes here. Come on. Now we won't stop. We will keep making noise until we have the next guy. Come on. Are we ready? Are we ready? Stage के पीछे कितने लोग खड़े हैं? Are you ready? Very good. So we are about to start with the first pitch. Introducing Taki Jain.
Am I audible? Perfect. Can I?
Absolutely.
Oh! What happened? Kidney stones यार. आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाना. It's too boring, unsexy, and moreover, the results are very slow. Is it? The sun. Medicines, surgeries, painkillers, and guess what? Stones are back again. Hi, I'm Taki Zain, co-founder at Dr. Mantra. Do you know that the pain of kidney stones is as good as a mother delivering a baby? Moreover, there are harmful side effects of allopathy treatment, fear of surgeries, high-cost surgeries, very, very high-cost surgeries, and no guarantee even after surgeries. Not treated yet. Solution? Ayurveda, which is a 5,000-year-old, has a time-tested, proven solution for this. But most
Very good. That is very good. तो अभी हमारे गेम शो में ऐसे होता है, इसने 8 मिनट की पिच आपको दे दी. Now investors get the opportunity to ask him questions. If there are no questions, we move ahead. But if there are too many, I'll just take the most important questions. I can see that Sharon has a question. Sharon, go ahead with your question. अच्छे आंसर्स दो, अभी फंडिंग मिलने वाली है. 35 lakhs मिलने वाले, ध्यान दो.
absolutely.
Your mic is not on for some reason. Just see if you can make it on. It's on now. Go for it.
Yeah, so great pitch. Thanks for that, first of all. Quickly, just wanted to ask about your licensing, because I know that that's a big thing in this sector, right? So, do you have all the licenses that are necessary?
अगर बुरा ना मानो तो I'm going to expand the question. See, you are talking of allopathy, bad, Ayurveda, good.
No, we are not.
I know you're not saying that, but you know, in health, medicine, we have to be very careful.
We are
So
trying
the
to-
question about compliances, FDA, whatever, clinical trial, वो सारी जो चीजें होती है ना, please put us as some comfort for that.
Absolutely. So we are not against allopathy. In fact, we believe that allopathy has its own pros and Ayurveda has its own pros, and we want to blend best of both the worlds. Now coming to your question, yes, we do have all the certifications which is required for us to sell in India. In fact, we are also selling in Malaysia, and we have GMP certifications, which is goods manufacturing practices. We have Ayush certificates, so whenever any product is launched, there are some clinical studies which is done at a small scale before launching it at a big scale, and that is being approved by Ayush Ministry of India.
So each and उतना likelihood ज़्यादा होता है. Does any investor have a question, or are you just ready to give me your money? Any more questions for this gentleman? Karishni Khanna has a question.
Okay, so I want to understand your target audience. You said it's the 70%, but as per our previous conversation, I understand that it's also a premium product, wherein each kit is priced at 2,400 approximately. Misho targeted, or okay, maybe
It's a
that's
combo.
wrong. It's a combo product, but I'm not understanding your target audience and your price point. So can you just elaborate on
So
that?
our target audience is someone who is aspirational and wants to have and wants to someone who actually appreciates and understands that there is a value that I am expecting. So what majority of the biggest players in India are focusing on the bottommost section of the country, right? Wherein the price is the biggest concern. We are targeting the second level of those audience, wherein it's a mass premium audience, wherein people want guaranteed results. People want that there should be some hand holding, there should be some personalization. So what we do is Ahar Vihar Chikitsa, diet, lifestyle and medicines. So there's a combo which is given as a monthly kit, which they can use it and they can use, just like Traya is doing.
So then possibly it's not the entire 70% that you're targeting, but maybe
Yeah.
it's about
So
25.
eventually we are going to expand the moment there is a credibility in the market. Yeah.
While you are most welcome to ask more questions, I have not closed the questioning round. All investors, if you have your tab on the top right, you should see your name, and there will be a entry box into which you can enter your number. Soon I will end the questions with Darshan, our successful TTLM previous founder. Let's hear your question.
So, what is your current burn?
We are not burning anything right now.
What's the current-
We have been profitable 80% of the time, and 20% of the time we have burned. Now we are profitable.
Okay, so you have got.
So we have raised around 1.4 CR, and we still have 60 lakhs in our bank.